Hello everyone and welcome. I hope you've been having a great season. Today, we will be resetting the maintenance light on the 2009 to 2024 Nissan Murano. So let's get right up in this. In this section, I will show you how to reset the oil maintenance light on the second generation Murano. You're going to need the square and the circle buttons on the dash. So the way you do this is: Step 1. Switch the ignition to the on position. Step 2. Press the square button until you get the settings menu. Step 3. Push the circle button to select through the menu until you reach the maintenance and press the square button to enter. Step 4. Push the circle button to reach engine oil and press the square button to enter. Step 5. Press the circle button to reach reset and then press the square button to confirm, and you're done. On the third generation Nissan Murano, you need to use the digital display on the dash and the button on the steering wheel. So let's get into it now. Step 1. Get in the car and turn it up. Step 2. Press the right arrow button and scroll through until you reach the settings menu and press OK. Step 3. Use the joystick to scroll down and get to the maintenance menu and press OK. Step 4. Select the oil and filter menu. Step 5. Go down to reset and then you're going to hit OK. Step 6. Finally, confirm reset by select yes, and you're ready to go until your next oil change. So that's how you do it. You can also do the same thing for the other maintenance item settings. Just follow the same steps to reset. Anyway, thank you for your time and have a great day.